How many customers does Airwallex really have? It's a question that's been buzzing around the fintech world. While the exact number isn't publicly disclosed, let's dive into the factors that hint at Airwallex's growing customer base. Understanding Airwallex. Airwallex isn't just another fintech startup. It's a global financial platform that empowers businesses to send, spend, and receive money internationally. With its sleek platform and innovative approach, Airwallex has rapidly gained traction across various industries. The factors behind Airwallex's growth. Global expansion. Airwallex's strategic expansion into key markets like the US, UK, Australia, and Southeast Asia has significantly broadened its reach. By establishing a strong local presence, the company has been able to tailor its services to the specific needs of businesses in each region. Diverse customer base. While Airwallex primarily caters to SMEs, it also serves large enterprises. The platform's versatility and scalability have attracted businesses of all sizes, from startups to multinational corporations. Strategic partnerships. Airwallex has forged strategic partnerships with payment processors, banks, and other financial institutions. These collaborations have enabled the company to offer a wider range of services and expand its customer base. Innovative product offerings. Airwallex continuously innovates and introduces new products to meet the evolving needs of its customers. Features like virtual cards, multi-currency accounts, and embedded finance solutions have contributed to its rapid growth. Strong investor backing. Airwallex has secured significant funding from renowned investors, which has fueled its expansion and product development efforts. This financial backing has enabled the company to invest in technology, talent, and marketing, ultimately driving customer acquisition. So, how many customers does Airwallex have? While the exact number remains undisclosed, it's evident that Airwallex has a substantial and growing customer base. The company's strategic approach, innovative products, and strong investor backing have positioned it as a major player in the global fintech landscape. As Airwallex continues to expand its footprint and enhance its offerings, we can expect its customer base to grow even further. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.